Articles. Today I shall discuss the rules that you need to know for using articles in English correctly. Articles are the words a and the. They are divided into two categories: indefinite articles, definite article. A and the, these three articles are actually demonstrative adjectives because they are used to refer to any person or anything. They always come before nouns. In this class, I shall discuss about the use of indefinite articles a or an. At first, we shall see where to use a and where to use an. Rule number 1. Use a before consonant sound. First, there is a set of examples. Look at the words. All these words here start with consonant sound. So we say a lamp, a cat, a tree, a girl, a dog. Then use an before vowel sound. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet. They are A, E, I, O, U. There is a set of examples. All the words here start with vowel sound. So we say an ant, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange. There are some exceptional cases of the rule. First, use a before the word one when o sounds as wa. There are some examples. These words beginning with o start with the sound wa. So we say A1 rupee note, A1 act play. Next B. Use a before the words beginning with u or e which sound ya. There is a set of examples. These words beginning with u or e start with the sound ya. So we say a university, a European, a EU, a unique. C. Use an before the words beginning with silent h. There are some examples. Here the spellings have h at the start, but the h is silent. We don't say hour or honest man. We say hour or honest man. Thus the words begin with vowel sound. So we say an hour, an honest man. D. Use an before consonants beginning with vowel sound. There is a set of examples. To utter all these abbreviations beginning with M, S, F, L, N, vowel sound comes first. So we say an MA, an SDO, an FRCS, an LLB, an NCC. Rule number 2. Use a or an only with singular countable nouns. A noun is countable if we can count it by 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So we say an apple, a car, a pen, a teacher. But uncountable nouns that cannot be counted this way do not take such articles. We don't say a water, a sugar, an air, a knowledge, etc. Rule number 3. Use a or an to talk about a person or thing unknown to your listener. Use the to talk about a person or thing known to your listener. Examples. I planted a tree in my garden this year. The tree has now grown big. In the first sentence, for the first time I mentioned a tree which is unknown to its listener. As the tree is now known to its listener, so we can say the tree in the second sentence. Next example. My sister has 2 computers, a PC and a laptop. The PC is quite old and the laptop is brand new. I say a PC and a laptop because this is the first time I am mentioning the computers to its listener. I can say the PC is quite old, the laptop is brand new because they are now known to its listener. Rule number 4. Use a or an to talk about non-specific things or people. Use the to talk about specific things or people. Here you say, do you have a pencil? Do you have the pencil that Rima gave you? Here a pencil means I need a pencil now. Any pencil, not any specific one. But the pencil refers to a specific pencil that Rima gave. Another example, I want to buy an apartment. I want to buy the apartment that we visited. Here, an apartment refers to any apartment, not any specific one. But the apartment refers to a specific apartment. Here we know which apartment we are talking about. Rule number 5. Use a or an to mention the category or type of a person or thing, such as I am a teacher, she is an intelligent girl, his car is a 2011 Ford Fusion. You can use your TV as a laptop monitor. Rule number 6. Generalize with plurals or uncountable nouns with no article. This rule is about how to make generalization, that is, how to talk generally about a whole group, class, people, or things. For examples, teachers should be friendly to students. Education is very important in life. There is another way of generalization. For examples, a cow is a useful animal. A teacher should be friendly to his or her students. Here, a cow represents each cow of its class. In the same way, a teacher is representing every teacher who should be friendly to his or her students. With countable noun, one can generalize by using a or an to mean every single one, that is, every single member of its family. Rule number 7. Use no article in these situations. Don't use article before proper nouns, before the names of people or places. We don't say a Steve, a Lisa, a New York, a Japan. However, some place names have the before them as thought of the place. For examples, the United States, the United Kingdom, the West Indies, the Himalayas.